What? There's Craig into a nice perch. Jesus Christ!
Mate,
Bring it on.
it's massive.
Oh my god.
It's huge.
That is an absolute peach.
Oh mate.
Mate, look at the size of that.
Thank you.
Is that a belter?
Thank you very much for the big perch.
Holy smokes.
Yes.
That is an absolute peach of a perch. Right, get that measured. You got scales?
No.
I think I've got scales in my bag. Do you want to weigh it?
I don't want to weigh that. It's not saying anything.
No.
Oh no, it's saying 2.5 pound.
2.5 pound perch.
2.5 pound perch, I'll take that.
Hey, belter. Right, get it back.
Yep. Thank you. Might take a wee while.
Put it right up and down the way. There we go, rugby ball shaped perch. Belter, Craig. Perch of a lifetime.
Thank you.
It's a huge one, like.
Massive, mate.
Mate.
My wee trout.
Slippy.
Oh, that wee.
What's Chris there? Is it wanting to go away?
There it goes, mate.
You've not got a fish on. Oh! Surely no.
Again?
Don't reel that in, just leave it, just take it. Let it fight, because it could be a big one yet that come in easy.
Man's got the lure.
Try and come over here. No way.